So my name is Steve Flipsy, and I'm originally from Billings, Montana. My education is computer information systems. I've been in the supplement industry for about 20 years. So has Lynn. We actually got our start in the supplement industry together at the same company.
I met Steve at 2003, 17 years ago, and from our previous company. I worked in the lab with him side by side and become a best friend.
We met in Spring Hill, Tennessee. He was a graduate of Georgia Tech. Fresh out of business school, he didn't have a whole lot. He was a new graduate. He was rocking a Mazda 626, I think. We still talk about that a lot, his humble beginnings.
Yeah, well, I have very long hair when I was in Georgia Tech. It's kind of funny. Look at the kid walking to school every day. I came from a farm. Very
humble beginnings.
Very humble beginning, yeah. Fortunately, education has changed me a lot. From China to America, Atlanta. From the farm boy, go to college for my PhD in chemistry. Give me lots of opportunity. I work almost 24/7, study 24/7 in the lab, doing research.
He's very driven, works very hard. It's honestly, I consider myself hardworking, but he sets another standard. He's actually pretty exhausting to be around.
Yeah, I know, yeah. In 2014, Steve and I found the company with name called For Excelsior. The first 2 years is very tough. When you put the quality in front of everything, your cost is not the best, it's not the cheapest on the market.
The first year, For Excelsior struggled like most companies do, but we really started to gain momentum when we found true business partners that cared more about the partnership than they did about the bottom line necessarily.
We want to differentiate our For Excelsior with other companies is that we put scientists into our product, in our formula. Before we actual production, our team has fully understand how to handle this formulation, how to understand the chemical property, and how to put this formulation into finished product. We build up the Excelsior Nutrition from scratch. Steve and I, we have lots of challenges and we have lots of difficulty.
I mean, just the regulatory requirements to build the manufacturing from scratch. Buy a facility that wasn't set up for manufacturing, to set that up, build it out with regulatory requirements, because we're an FDA registered CGMP compliant facility. The regulations that go in to being able to manufacture dietary supplements in this facility is quite a challenge. I've been in the supplement industry for, I think, 20 years, working with some of the biggest manufacturers and brands in the industry. Over that time, it was very rare that we would ever encounter a company that was fully integrated, vertically integrated. And by that, I mean that they owned their manufacturing, their supply chain, and the intellectual property that goes in to bring products to market. And For Excelsior gave us that opportunity to be truly vertically integrated.
Steve Felix is the founder of CALERIE. Steve and I work together to come up with the concept.
At CALERIE, we're backed by science. We're inspired by a study that documents the longevity benefits of a calorie-restricted diet. And essentially, this study shows that the only proven longevity diet is that of a calorie-restricted diet, and that's because it promotes autophagy or cellular renewal. And our products also promote autophagy or cellular renewal, and that's why we like to say self-care starts with cell-care.
Excelsior Nutrition had partnered with CALERIE, fully integrated with CALERIE company. We help create formulation, manufacture the finished good, deliver the finished good into CALERIE warehousing, help them shipping this CALERIE product into end user customer. The most exciting for the CALERIE product is the SOD plus MMM. At this moment, the scientist has been approved the efficacy for MMM. It brings lots of benefit for our customer. I'm very excited for this combination, for this unique formula.
During our pilot studies, we received a number of exciting testimonials, which are very far-reaching and encompass everything from improved cognition, better sleep, and an improvement in well-being as well. Obviously, in the next 1, 5, 10 years down the road, we're going to be opening other regions, other countries. But what excites me most over that time frame is the brand development, the R&D work, specifically the product development that we'll be doing. Our company culture is all about integrity and ethics and bringing on the individuals that will help us bring high quality products to the end consumer. Our mission is to help people live longer, better, healthier lives where self-care starts with cell-care.
My name is Lin. I'm the founder and CEO and president of 4Excelsior. I founded 4Excelsior in 2014, focused on contract manufacturing, from formulation, from label design, and actual formulation from idea, concept, into the finished good for all kinds of customers. We have several good brands work very close to us. One of them is Cost, the other one is the CALERIE, and one of them is the Fresh Nutrition. They have very limited budget to start the branding because the capital was focused on marketing. They don't even know how to formulation product. You don't need to worry about those manufacturing, supporting, or warehousing. Just focus on your branding, marketing, and promotion only. And while you're working with we as your manufacturing partner, work very close, side by side, to help you grow the business.
My name is Tony Stahl, and I'm the co-CEO of Cost Naturals, also one of two co-founders. We started Cost in 2018, and solely because one of our first hires, he was 39 years old and he was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and 3 months later he was gone. And we decided that we wanted to launch a plant-based company. So we went from there on the mission to search out different manufacturers, and we finally landed on 4Excelsior.
I'm Ben Panter, owner of Fresh Nutrition, which is a supplement brand that focuses on single ingredient products for the health conscious individual. Lin has helped with Fresh Nutrition due to his expertise. I was completely new to this venture and he's been in the game for a while. He knew what he was doing. He could advise me on anything I had any issues with. My relationship with Lin's always been excellent. He's always been very respectful and responded to my needs. He's always been great. I've had a very positive experience with Lin.
My name is Steve Flipsy. I'm the president and co-founder at CALERIE. We are an international e-commerce company specializing in longevity supplements. With any brand, you want to experience growth and expansion. And we knew that for us to achieve that at CALERIE, we needed to be vertically integrated. And Lin and 4Excelsior offered that for us.
The common way to place order is that you give the manufacturer an order and then expect that maybe within 90 or 120 days, the formulation manufacturer deliver the product to your warehousing.
We can have the best idea backed by the most amazing science in the world, but if we don't have product that people care about, then the brand's gonna fail. And Lin ensures that we have all the technology, all the product, all the unique delivery systems and differentiators that we need to be a success.
At Cost, we faced several challenges, one of them being COVID-19. That put restrictions and restraints on our supply chain. Lin has helped us, and the 4E team has helped us navigate that by directing us to bags and also aligning with different producers for those products.
I want to working with the brand owner to come up the good efficacy formulation and a good cost benefit of supplement as well. Being as center of this kind of business, that's the purpose why 4Excelsior is here. We continue support into different business sections.
I first partnered with 4Excelsior at the end of 2016 and we released my first products in 2017. Lin helped me as a mentor and advisor. Obviously for me it was all brand new and he was someone I could turn to and trust. He felt comfortable and I realized I could trust him.
Cost was making zero revenue before 4Excelsior. Now we're close to 15 million in revenue and on a run rate of 23 million. 4Excelsior has helped our distribution by being a reliable partner and making sure that our POs are produced on time, to full, and to spec. Lin has taught me a couple things, specifically speed to market and diversity is going to get you through. To keep moving no matter what. When mistakes happen, keep trucking along. It's going to get better. Things are going to happen. We can still continue to go.
The partnership with CALERIE and 4Excelsior, it's really just a testament to the fact that it's the technology and it's the manufacturing that's kind of the secret sauce, and it's mainly because of that foundation that we have that, you know, is 4Excelsior.
4Excelsior has been CALERIE manufacturing partner and logistic supporting partner as well. We provide manufacturing, we provide R&D support, we provide shipping support, warehousing support for CALERIE to grow their business. We strongly believe CALERIE will be grow into multi-billion of the business, and Forex sales have all the infrastructure and all the support in place to fulfill this challenge in the near future.
We are here today with CALERIE Care, giving back to our community.
This is a drive-through charity. We were able to donate about 4,000 bottles of our vitamin D plus K supplement.
We want to reach the people who really need this food in their tables and the vitamins to help the health of the people. Our heart is to provide everything that we can and give away to those families in need.
That's essentially what today's event is about, is empowering the people in the community who are less fortunate.
I always say, we never have enough, never. But we're going to give everything that we have, and we're going to help all the families that we can.
At CALERIE Care, we share, we aid.
We care, we share, we aid.
We care, we share, we aid.
The scientist has been researched and confirmed MMM is the most efficiency way enhance our NAD plus level in our human body. As you know, in those industries, they have so many ways to make MMM. In other countries, other companies, they might be used chemical synthetic. Chemical synthetic is cost effectively. However, when we manufacture the MMM, you have two forms. Use a chemical synthetic. One form is alpha form, one form is the beta form. And alpha form and beta form, their ratio is 60 and 40%. If you use the chemical source for MMM, you have 40% of them is only beta form. 60% is alpha form. As you know, our human body cannot absorb this alpha form. For example, if you take 1 gram or 1% of the chemical source MMM, you only have 40% of MMM can absorb by your human body. The CALERIE MMM is manufactured at Fort Excelsior. We use a biofermentation and pathway. The substance is called D-ribose. Use enzyme NAMPT as an enzyme, convert this substance into NR, and after that, use a NAMPT, convert NR into MMM. Use a biofermentation way. And after that, we have in a bioreaction for 35 degrees for 2 or 4 hour fermentation way. We can accrue maybe 70% of the crude MMM. After that, we pass this crude solution into the membrane, extract and purify into the 99% of the MMM raw material. Since our fermentation pathway, we use 100% fermentation to produce beta form MMM. Our human body can easily absorb CALERIE MMM in our small intestine within 15 seconds. And convert from the beta form MMM into the NAD plus, a significant increase.
Inspired by clinical trial performance, a 2-in-1 concentrated formulation, the ultimate precursor to NAD plus beta NMN, activated with the first line of free radical defense, SOD. A nourishing, chewable tablet, intervening on the cellular level to enhance immunity and better aging overnight. Fast absorption, high bioavailability, overnight restoration of the ultimate SOD plus NMN is concentrated in one tablet. Incredible. CALERIE.
Nestled in the Atlantic Ocean, our first line of defense antioxidants, CALERIE SOD, found from a species of methylotrophic yeast named Pichia pastoris. We went through years of exploration and lab experiments in biological engineering. We failed, we continued, and now we succeed. A premier ingredient processes a high bioavailability, accelerating the body to fight against free radicals. Formulated with a unique marine plant, Aquamin, sourced from Vittadalur, Iceland. Pristine waters, organic harvesting, resulting in 72 trace minerals. in a combination with our superior blue spirulina, potent micronutrients, essential amino acids, with an approximately 1.5 to 1 ratio of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Exclusive formulation, triple defense at a cellular level. Our sumptuous SOD fast melt for improved immunity in 1 week. Incredible. CALERIE.
Born out of years of research from the first discovery of cellular mechanisms, science has opened the door to a more effective solution to brain aging. A new advanced compound activated with longevity gene. 99.9% high purified beta NMN concentrated in every capsule. Fortified with 5 neuropowering nootropics. Carefully purified and blended. A unique combination selected out of thousands for its absorption efficacy. Brain recovers faster, is sharper, and feels visibly younger. New advanced lifespan with cellular science. Incredible. CALERIE.
CALERIE Beta NMN 6000, an innovative elixir that regulates the process of aging. The most efficient anti-aging ingredients to enhance NAD level. CALERIE's state-of-art biofermentation technology ensures high purity and absorption rates to fortify body's rejuvenating potential. A 70% crude solution accrued through a premier bioreaction at 35 degrees for 2 to 4 hours. An extraordinary green extraction and purification process, resulting in a potent 99.9% of beta NMN essence. Our sumptuous, rejuvenating tablet. Exceptional sense of reality for sublime cellular regeneration. Incredible. CALERIE.
CALERIE scientists have been hard at work uncovering synergetic ingredients to make anti-aging a reality. A supreme combination of molecular hydrogen synergized with clinically studied ingredient, BioPQQ. Small but powerful, selected for its high penetration power. It can easily diffuse through the cell membrane, making it highly bioavailable. Millions of tiny nanobubbles dissolve in harmony, resulting in rich molecular hydrogen. Our innovative formulation breaks the tradition of supplements, not capsuled nor powdered, but kaleidoscopic, preserving a vital potential for cellular regeneration. The reality of anti-aging is finally within reach. Alpha Hope.
Alpha Whole is a very exciting product. In the Alpha Whole, there are 2 major ingredients. One of them is a molecular hydrogen. The other one is the PQQ. Hydrogen and PQQ play a very important role to increase our energy, improve our mood health, and improve our brain health as well.
It's kind of a long journey how I got into inventing this product. I was having a severe inflammatory attack on my body. I discovered hydrogen water. Hydrogen promotes something called redox homeostasis, harmony between the beneficial antioxidants in our system and the beneficial oxidative stressors. For instance, in some models, hydrogen can increase oxidative stress for a beneficial outcome, and in some models, it increases antioxidants by something called the NRF2 pathway, so that our body creates more of our own antioxidants. Hydrogen therapy works by acutely raising your cellular concentrations for a short period of time, 5-10 minutes. This is when we see all the changes in cell signaling and genetic expression. The International Hydrogen Standards Association sets a minimum therapeutic concentration at 0.5 milligrams per liter The hydrogen tablets I developed get between about 3 to 12 milligrams a liter.
PQQ is a coenzyme. It can naturally occurring from our human body or outside the nature. The PQQ has three main efficacy. The first one is generate our brain cell energy. The second one is going to improve your cognitive and the brain health. The third one is to act as a powerhouse or energy base to our cell. As we go to 48 years old, our brain size going to be decreased 5%. Supplement with the PQQ, it can bring sustainable energy to our brain health.
Hydrogen seems to amplify the effect of a lot of other treatments and ingredients. We might get X effect from the drug, X effect from the hydrogen, but when we put them together, it's more than an addition, it's synergy. That's what we're doing here for Calorie Life, is we're putting hydrogen with PQQ. PQQ enhances mitochondrial biogenesis, and hydrogen improves the health of the mitochondria. PQQ is making more mitochondria, and hydrogen is protecting the health within the cell and all the mitochondria.
Since the molecular hydrogen is the smallest molecule in the world, it can penetrate from the blood cell barrier into our cell membrane. And it will carry our PQQ inside our energy base, our cell base. We create this momentum we call it alpha molecule, alpha hole. Alpha hole stimulate two key important factors in our human body. One of them is very important here, is called mitochondria, and the other one is called the nutrient. Mitochondria play a very important role in our healthy aging process because they act as a powerhouse. The nutrient is our nerve system. It can keep us always younger. If you're looking for a truly scientific supplement to bring your energy, to improve your cognitive health, have a healthy aging process, Alpha Hole is your best choice.
Hello and welcome. I'm Matt Carpenter, R&D Manager of Excelsior and Scientific Consultant for CalerieHealth. Molecular hydrogen is shown to have many benefits for the human body due to its antioxidant properties and high penetration ability. The antioxidant properties of hydrogen help support the body's overall health by fighting against harmful free radicals. And hydrogen's strong penetration ability allows it to easily penetrate the cell membrane and enter the cytoplasm, nucleus, and organelles to promote a healthier cellular function. But how do you determine if your hydrogen water actually has these essential properties? I'm here to do an experiment called the blue bottle reaction to show you. Methylene blue is a reagent to test for dissolved hydrogen gas in water. So here we have our created hydrogen solution. I'm going to transfer a small amount to this beaker here. I'm going to take my methylene blue solution and add a couple drops to the beaker. Now what you're going to see is initially when I add the drops, the solution will be blue, but then it'll turn back to clear. What this is doing is this is the methylene blue absorbing all of the hydrogen that is in solution. Couple stirs here and back to the original color. And we can continue to add drops here and it will continue to absorb all of the dissolved hydrogen in solution. The next part of our experiment will show you hydrogen's strong penetration ability. To do this, we need to utilize a large 1,000 milliliter beaker as well as a prepared plastic bag solution of our methylene blue. So we're going to place this here in the beaker and then we're going to take the remaining amount of our solution and pour it directly into the beaker. Now what this experiment demonstrates is how well the hydrogen that is in this solution will penetrate the plastic bag, which will change the color of the solution in the bag to clear like we saw in the previous experiment. So this is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to completely change color, but we'll see that here momentarily. So there you have it, super easy and straightforward. Now that you know how to do this blue bottle experiment, you can do it at home. You can find this solution on Amazon and repeat the same procedure as I did. Thank you so much for watching.